Yeah, hey guys, I'm just showing you how to replace a battery in a key fob. This particular car that I have is a 2013 Hyundai SR. It's pretty easy. So all you want to grab is a flat blade of any type, and what you want to do is just put the flat blade in this slot and then turn. Pretty easy. The first time you do it, it's going to be a little bit hard. Just put this to one side, and here you just leave the battery out just with a screwdriver or just anything you can sort of find. Just pops out. So this particular battery that I'm using, I just bought it from Bunnings. It's a CR2032, which is a 3 volt. I think they're only a couple of bucks. So just put it in like that with the writing facing down. And then just crack it together like so. Just test it. Beautiful. Good luck.